up, YouTube? It's your girl, Shannon Christina, aka What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Shannon Christina, aka Slimjimshan, and I am back with another video. So today, you guys, I will be, as you can see, I will be baking a cake, obviously, with a couple of ingredients. It is a chocolate cake and with a creamy milk chocolate frosting. That's what they are having today. Nothing more, nothing less. You get what you get and you don't throw up. Okay. Period. And you guys are going to come along with me as I bake this cake. So, without further ado, let's get into this video and let's bake this cake. So, the first thing I need to do to make this cake mix is 1 cup of water. Then I need 3 large eggs and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So, that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to come back. So my camera started tripping, you guys, but right now I'm just whipping it up with this little... Okay, you guys, I had some technical difficulties with my phone, so now I have somebody recording for me. But the consistency is smooth now, so I'm going to put it up in a pan. I'm going to transfer this into a pan. I don't think that's equal. It's not equal.
Got it! Got it!
Okay, you guys, so it's not equal, but no cake is perfect. I'll try to balance this out. So now I'm going to put my evenly cakes in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. Okay, you guys, so now we're just going to wait until this cool off, and then we're going to put the icing on the top. So I'll be back once it cool down. Okay, so now you guys, I'm going to place the cake onto the pan so that I can ice the first layer of the cake. How does it taste?
Wait a minute. Let me get a little bit of the cake by itself. I can taste the chocolate coming through. It's moist. Did a good job. You didn't use too much eggs because it don't taste all eggy and fresh. It has a pretty good taste. It's a good cake.
Okay, so it's my turn. I'm the cameraman, y'all. I'm behind the camera. I'm not no doggone man. See my child right here. I'm not a man.
Boy, if you don't get.
Okay, I'm gonna taste the cake. Hold on.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Hannah. Pretty good. What you think?
As you can see, you guys, everyone enjoyed the cake. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with more videos. Until next time, bye.